guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today we have another video with the C6, the new project car. So the interior is absolutely disgusting. I don't know what's going on in there. So basically, we're just gonna clean up the interior today, get it nice and clean because there's a lot of red ants in it, like they're ginormous red ants. Pull the seats out, use the wet vac. We'll vacuum first, and then get it, like, wipe it all down, and then we're going to mount the seats back in correctly because they're not even mounted. So they're literally just laying in there. So let's get it all cleaning, wipe everything down, and get started.
Like you lost another one.
I'm terrified of cockroaches. Okay, so it has been a few days since the last clip. So I have the mats out. I pressure washed them yesterday morning. So they're sitting out in the sun. They're pretty much dry, but they're still out in the sun. So we're going to get to cleaning the trunk, vacuum it. I'm not gonna pull the carpet, just vacuum it and clean it. But yeah, I finished wiping everything down, the doors and everything. It looks so much better. So I'll show you guys a little walk around of that. So I have the door all wiped down, steering wheel, everything is looking a lot better than it was before. There's a lot of like stains. I don't even know, like I just can't get them out. But like all of this you're not gonna see because there's carpet, and I think there's supposed to be a plastic piece here. I'm not really sure, but it's missing. I know carpet runs up a little bit at the walls. I'm not sure if it runs up the whole wall, but I think I'm missing some pieces. So, but I'm also missing this back piece. I'm pretty sure there's a carpet back here, almost 100% positive. But for now you really don't see it because the seats will be in, obviously. Also, we don't have any pieces for the seats to be bolted down, so I have to go get those. But yeah, we're gonna clean the back right now. The supports to open it doesn't work, so I gotta find something to hold it while I clean the inside of it. So that's gonna be fun, but yeah, it looks a lot better for now. So I just got this area done, as you can kind of see right there. So I'm gonna finish vacuuming it and not gonna bore you with 10 hours of me vacuuming this. And then I think I'm gonna get some carpet spray cleaner and then re-vacuum it again because there's a lot of stains like right there. So, but I'm just gonna get up all the dry stuff and then we'll spray it and then vacuum it again. So that's just vacuumed. Now I put, before I had soap and water in this, so it's just an empty bottle, but I just put carpet spray in it. So I'm just gonna spray it everywhere. Obviously this is not the bottle for it. I'm just gonna spray it all over the carpet and then re-vacuum it. So this is with it finished. Obviously there's some stains, but that looks so much better. Are you kidding? So much better. So I'm gonna go check on the carpets. Hopefully we can put those back in and start putting everything back in the car and be done. So this is some air freshener stuff, so I'm just gonna, so I have this carpet in, but as you see, like I'm missing a whole bunch of stuff. Like I'm missing the piece that goes right here. I'm missing one right there. So yeah, like it doesn't even hold in. So there's obviously something that goes from here along here to hold that in, but I don't have it because they freaking took everything apart. So I'm just gonna lay the seats in, connect them, and then we're gonna have to bolt them out or bolt them down after I get new stuff for them, because I don't know what they did with them. So okay, so I am completely finished. So yeah, I didn't want to show you guys me vacuuming for 10 hours and doing all this stuff for hours and hours and hours. So I kind of just show you through the process. But yeah, it looks so much better. I'm very happy with the results. So I will leave the links down below for everything. Make sure you guys get your hoodies if you want a hoodie. Pre-order is open till February 7th. So I'm really not sure if I'm gonna get extra. I can't promise you that. So make sure you guys pre-order your hoodies if you want one at Reckless.Raquel.com. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Dude, we might as well just give it back.